Since its establishment in 2015, Guangdong Winway Lighting has been committed to providing innovative, efficient, and environmentally friendly LED commercial lighting solutions. We specialize in creating exceptional lighting experiences for our global customers and are your trusted lighting partner. As a company with its own factory, Winway focuses on R&D, production, and quality management to ensure every product meets high standards. We offer a wide range of commercial lighting products, including ceiling lights, IP65, IP66 waterproof fixtures, panel lights, etc., to meet the needs of various industries. Our products are beautifully designed and powerful, using efficient LED technology to provide long-lasting, even light with a modern aesthetic. Each product undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure their durability, energy efficiency, and environmental friendliness. We have passed international certifications such as CE, CB, EMC, ROHS, FCC, etc. All products undergo strict quality control to ensure that they meet safety and environmental standards around the world. Whether it is a retail store, industrial workshop, or office building, Winway's LED lighting products can provide efficient, energy-saving, and durable solutions that perfectly meet the needs of various environments. We have an experienced R&D team that continuously promotes technological innovation and provides OEM/ODM services to ensure that the most suitable solutions are tailored for our customers. Winway strictly follows the ISO 9001-2000 quality management system. Each of our products is fully tested before leaving the factory to ensure that it can stand the test of time and meet the high standards of our customers. We are well aware that customer needs are the driving force for our continuous progress. Through agile production processes and efficient customer service, we are always committed to providing high-quality lighting products and solutions to customers around the world. Whether your needs are standardized products or customized solutions, Winway can respond quickly and help you achieve your ideal lighting effect. Welcome to visit our factory at any time to learn more about our production strength and innovation capabilities. Guangdong Winway Lighting provides you with the world's leading LED commercial lighting solutions. Let us work together to light up the future of your business. Thank you for your viewing. We sincerely look forward to working with you to create more value for your business. Whether you need standard products or customized solutions, Winway is always your reliable partner.